Hi Warriors, I hope you're doing well and staying safe. As we all know, we will begin the 2020 school year with online learning. We will use Google Classroom as the source of our lessons and activities. In today's video, you will learn how to join Google Classroom, access the lessons, and submit your assignments. Let's begin. Signing into Google Classroom. The first step is to open Google Chrome. To sign into Google Classroom, you'll need to use Google's official browser. The next step is to click the plus sign to create a new tab. It's next to your Open tabs at the top of Chrome. This will allow you to access the Google Chrome sign-in menu. Do this by clicking the New Tab button to the immediate right of your current tab. After that, sign into Google Chrome. If you're not already signed in with your school's credentials, click the name or person icon in the top right corner of Chrome's interface, and then log in now. Use the username/email address associated with your school's account. Here is an example, michaelg@jvps.org. When you're done, click Sign In to Chrome. Navigate to this address. You can do this by entering the URL into the bar at the top of Chrome and pressing Enter or Return. Students will be redirected to the class page with the option to join a new class by clicking the plus icon at the top of the screen. Enter your class code and click Join. You should have received a code from your teacher when the class was created. Once joined, you'll see your class homepage. If you don't have your code on hand, check your school email. You can also contact your teacher or review your class syllabus. Review your class page. If your teacher has any information for you to look over, it will be listed here. You can view upcoming assignments in the box that runs along the left side of the page. By default, your page will open to the Stream tab, which is a compilation of posts from your teacher and other classmates. How to turn in an assignment. You turn in your work online in Classroom. Depending on the type of assignment and attachments, you'll see Turn in or Mark as Done. If you need to edit work that you turned in, you can unsubmit the assignment before the due date. Make your changes and resubmit. However, any assignment turned in or marked done after the due date is recorded as late. To attach a new document, under Your Work, click Add or Create, Docs, Slides, Sheets, or Drawings. A new file attaches to your work and opens. Click the file and enter your information. To remove an attachment, next to the attachment name, click Remove. To add a private comment to your teacher, under Private Comments, enter your comment and click Post. Click Turn In and confirm. The status of the assignment changes to Turned In. If you get an error message when you click Turn In, let your instructor know. I hope this tutorial was useful on how to utilize Google Classroom. If you have any questions or clarification, please email this address.